Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in the Health app because that's where iPhone stores prescription links. Tap Browse, then Medications or Prescriptions. This pulls up active orders. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID used to receive the prescription and update iOS. Have the pharmacy name and RX number to hand so you can confirm identity. Once done, locate the specific prescription entry. That's the item you'll act on next, so don't skip verification. You now open the prescription detail page to see the status and available actions. This explains why you can or cannot cancel directly. Tap the three-dot menu or Edit button. Some providers put cancellation behind that control. If a cancel button appears, tap it and follow confirmation prompts. Your iPhone logs the request. If cancellation is disabled, make sure to copy the pharmacy phone number and RX number so you can call immediately, because direct app cancellation may be blocked for safety. Finish by confirming the cancellation and watching for an on-screen or emailed confirmation. This proves the stop request was recorded. If you don't receive confirmation within a few minutes, call the pharmacy directly with the RX number and ask them to halt the fill. This is the fastest backup. Make sure to restart the Health app or your iPhone if the change doesn't appear. If problems persist, contact the prescribing provider's portal support and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.